Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 10.1 question number 2. Draw a line L. Draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point x 4 cm away from L. Through x, draw a line M parallel to L. Let us take, suppose, first of all, let us take a ruler. With this ruler, take line. Suppose we have taken a line here, right? Now, on this perpendicular L, choose a point x. Draw a perpendicular L perpendicular to L at any point on L. Suppose this is L. Suppose this is L, right? Draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. Suppose we have taken a point here. On this point, we will draw a perpendicular line, right? We draw a perpendicular line. Draw perpendicular to L at any point on L. Here we will draw a perpendicular, right? Let us draw a perpendicular line with the help of compass. With the help of compass, we are taking a perpendicular on this point. On this point, let us take a perpendicular. Here, we will draw an arc first, right? We shall draw an arc. Right? Now, choosing a point like this, and we fix this pointer again at this point. Choosing this pointer and taking this pointer at this point, and you increase this one and take an arc here. Again, take this point in this point. Take an arc here. Right? Now with this ruler, join the line and you get a perpendicular line. This ruler, join the line, then you get a perpendicular on this point. Let us take the perpendicular on this point. Now here we have taken a perpendicular, right? This is a perpendicular on this line, and at the point, this point, we have taken the point here. Then suppose the name of the point is P. Suppose we have taken this point, we have drawn a perpendicular line on the point P. This is P point, right? Now, what is the question? The next question is, On this perpendicular, choose a point x 4 cm away from L. 4 cm. Let us take 4 cm away from L. We have to take 4 cm away from L. We have to take 4 cm away from L. Let us take 4 cm away from L. Take the pointer. Take this pointer at point 0. Take this pointer at point 0. Take this pointer at the point 0 and take 4 cm. Here you see, this is take 4 cm. This is 2.8, that is 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.4, 3.5, 6, 4 cm, 3.9, and it is 4. Here you see, this is 4 cm, 0 degree, 0 to 4 cm, right? Now with this, we will cut here. Now take this pointer at this here and cut 4 cm on this line, and cut 4 cm on this line. Therefore, you have to put this pointer at the point P and take 4 cm here. Take 4 cm, right? That means we got this line 4 cm away from L, and this point is x. Let us take this point as x. This point is x point. This is x. Now join the point with the help of a scale. Join this point, and through x draw a line M parallel to F. You have to draw a line M so that you get a parallel lines here, right? Parallel lines here. Then we have to make an angle here 90 degree. So this angle and alternate angles will be equal, and that will be parallel to each other. That means we have to make it here 90 degree angle. Let us take a 90 degree angle at point X. With this, with the help of this compass, first of all, you have to make an arc with this point. Let us take an arc. Let us take an arc here. Let us take an arc here at this point. At this point, let us take an arc. Here we are taking an arc here. Right? Now taking this pointer at here, at this point, and you increase this one, and taking an arc here. You have to take another arc here. Take an arc here. And taking this point, at this point, take another arc. Taking this pointer at this point, take an arc here, right? Now draw a line here also. Then draw a line here. Right? Now through X draw a line M parallel to M, and this line is M. This line is M. Right? Now here you see that angle, this angle XPL, XPL is equal to XPL is equal to Px, and this is another, we have taken another name Q, right? Px, that is XPL is equal to Px, we have taken given another name here XPR, suppose this is R, suppose, right? Therefore you can say that we can say that angle, this angle XPR is equal to angle PXQ. These are interior alternate angles. These are alternate angles. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. And here you see, suppose L and M are two lines. L and M are two lines. L and M are two lines, and XP is the transversal. XP is the transversal. XP is the transversal. XP is the transversal, right? Therefore, you can say that this XPR and PXQ are equal, and these are alternate angles. Therefore, you can say that M is parallel to L. M is parallel to L. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.